Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bully. Today I am going to show you guys how to add an accessibility feature to your WordPress store to provide your customers a better user experience. And we will use a free and good plugin, of course, to get that done for us. Do you know why it's important to add an accessibility feature to your online store? It is because these will ensure that everyone can shop at your online store and it will help you gain more customers in the long run too. So you need to install this feature to your online store just in case somebody may need that accessibility, such as some disabled people. And those people may let their computer read the text for them, or they may be colorblind, or they need to adjust the text size, and so on. You never know. Before we get started, I want to welcome back all my subscribers. I appreciate you all. But for those who are brand new to my channel, my name is Bully. I create tutorials about e-commerce web designs, focusing on user experience using WordPress. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, let's go to our demo store. Let's go to the dashboard. Scroll down a little bit to click plugins. Scroll up to the top and click the Add New button. Go to the search box and search for One Click Accessibility and press Enter or wait until a search result comes up. That's the plugin that we're gonna install. It's called One Click Accessibility. Click the button to install it. Once you're done installing it, click the Activate button. You should be redirected back to the plugin's main page. Scroll down a little bit to find the plugin that we just installed. We need to turn the Enable Auto Updates feature on. That's the plugin. Click the Enable Auto Updates so it will be updated automatically for us, and then click the settings to go to the general settings of the plugin. When we scroll down a little bit more, we will see the main menu of accessibility. There are 3 main menus under this plugin, so scroll up a little bit to go through all these settings. The first one, add outline focus, just enable this. Skip to content link, just leave it enabled. Remove target attribute from links. You should enable this one so that when they try to open a link or click on a link, it should be open on the same window. In this tutorial, I didn't enable this. And then just leave the rest of the settings the same. Remember the user for 12 hours because whenever the user picks a feature, that feature of the accessibility will stay within 12 hours. And then click Save Changes button at the bottom. Once you are done, scroll down a little bit to go back to the accessibility menu. And these are the settings of toolbar. As for the display toolbar, there are many options that you could choose from, but the best recommendation is that you should choose Show on all devices. For the title, Accessibility Tools is a great title and is very clear. As for the resize font, just leave it the same. It's already enabled. As for the increased text, I will change this into A+. You could leave the text the same. It's up to you. It's fine too. It's really meaningful also. For the decreased text, I will change it to A-. For the grayscale title, I will change this to black and white. You could leave the same setting as grayscale, it's fine too, it's up to you. Scroll down a little bit more and I would leave the rest of the settings the same. As for the sitemap link down there, we need to go back to the front end of the demo store to copy the URL link of the sitemap page. And copy the URL up there. And then paste it right here at this box. And the next one is the help link. I already set up the help page for the demo store, so we are going to copy the link right here. Let's go back and paste it in the box of the help link. The next one is the feedback. We are going to use the contact page for that link. So let's go copy the URL of the contact us page of the demo store. It's right here. Copy the link and go back to the dashboard and paste it in that box. Once everything looks good, just click the button Save Changes. Next, we are going to the next menu, which is Customize. Click Accessibility. For the toolbar icon, there are 3 options. The default one is the wheel share, and the second one is one click. And it will look like that. And the last one is accessibility. It will look like a little round circle like that. In this case, I will pick one click icon. For the next toolbar position, I will move this to the right for the demo store. As for the offset from top for the desktop version, you could adjust the pixels right here. You could like add another 10 pixels here. It wouldn't move down that much. Or just play around with it and let's see where the icon will stay. The next one is the offset from the top for the mobile version. I just keep this the same as 50 pixels. And for the color for the toggle button background, I will choose green for now. Make sure you pick one of the colors from your color palette that you showed when you first started setting up your online store. You want to pick out all the colors that go with your branding right here. In this case, I'm gonna pick that little yellow accent that I have in the logo. And let's go with a double for the outline style, and let's increase the pixels for the outline width to 5 pixels. And the color right here, I just pick the black color. Scroll down a little bit more. Once everything looks good, just click the publish button on the top. And once you're done with that, scroll down a little bit more to view the accessibility feature on different versions for all devices. The first one, this is the desktop. You could see the desktop icon at the bottom. When you click the icon of the accessibility tools, you can select many options, and let's see how the web page changes. The next one is for the tablet version. Click the icon of the accessibility and you will see things will change on the web page. And as you can see, the active background will be highlighted on some certain options. You could choose whatever color you want to go with your branding right there. This is a black and white version, and the last icon, this is for the mobile version. This is how it's gonna look like on the mobile. Click the icon. White and black version. It will look like that. It looks good so far to me. Let's increase the text size on the mobile. Yep, that looks pretty huge. That looks good too. Let's decrease it and let's see how it's gonna look like. That's the reset link. When you are done playing around with it, just click the link to reset the whole thing. And it will look like a regular website. Let's go back to the front end to see the desktop version for real. And the black and white version is still there because the last time we tested it, it's in black and white. So we're gonna reset it again and go through some other options again to see how things work. Let's go to the shop page. So we have more text and pictures that we could see. Let's increase the text size. Okay, it's working as expected. Let's decrease the text size. Okay, they look good. And what about the black and white? Everything looks black and white here. Okay, that's good. What about the high contrast? And it looks really high contrast right here. The next one is a negative contrast version. Okay, it looks like it's working so far. Let's switch to another page and let's see how it's gonna look like. All right, it looks good. And the next one is light background. And all the clickable links are underlined. Let's go to another page to see how that will look like. And readable font, it will adjust the font size to be a little bit bigger and the spacing will be a little bit wider. Let's click on the sitemap link. It links to the sitemap page. All right, what about the help link? It links and opens the help center page. Okay, that is good. And what about the feedback? We link this to the contact page. All right, it's working. It's working. All right, so far. And just click the icon right here to put the bar away. All right, that's pretty much it. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about adding an accessibility feature to your online store to provide your customers a better user experience, and would love to share it with our community. I would love to hear from you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads about e-commerce web designs from me. If you guys find this video helpful somehow, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you so much. If you want to support my channel, I add all the links in the description box below for you guys to check out. Alright, thank you so much for being here to watch my video. I appreciate your support a lot. You guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.